afternoon, D&D TikTok and barbecue TikTok and beyond, and welcome to Roll for Barbecue. Let's get it done. Happy Friday, y'all. Let's dig in that mini barbecue grill and see what we're using today. And it looks like we're using some cram dice. As always, this series is inspired by the popular Roll for Sandwich series by Adventures in Ardia. The dice have been tossed, and it's a special episode. Our friends at Seltzer's Smokehouse Meats sent us a care package. So today we're going to be using some of their famous Lebanon Dutch grillers. And as always, we got some prep work to do. There it is. Now that we got our meat, it's time to roll for binders. 9, we got pickle juice. You must be wondering why we're using Mayhem's tree. Oh, it's because he's coming back. And from what I heard, he's coming back with a vengeance. So we're using some Milwaukee dill pickle juice. And of course, I'm half awake doing this, so I decided to use a spoon. We're going to cover every slice of those grillers. We got to be sure to cover both sides. And while we're doing that, it's time to roll for rubs. 9, we got Garlic Festival, and 13, Hardcore Carnivore. All right, let's roll for Carnivore. 3, we got their Camo Rub. Although this seasoning is designed for wild game and lamb, I think this will pair nicely with the meats inside the grillers. We're going to cover both sides with this seasoning, then hit it with Garlic Festival's Garli Garni. If you're ever going to the Michigan Renaissance Festival, you should always check out the Garlic Festival stand. It's pretty great. Now it's time to roll for wood. 1, we got apple wood. Now that we have our wood, it's time to roll for char griller. 2, we got the Grand Champ XD. You guys know the grill. We're smoking on the Char Griller Grand Champ. I'm going to smoke these for about an hour at 250, then crank it up to 300 degrees. While that's cooking, let's roll Wild Magic. 3, Moon Pie Sandwich.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Yeah, this is not how I wanted to enjoy my Lebanon grillers, but we got to do what we got to do. We got that chocolate double stack, and we got it split. And would you look at that? It's the perfect size. All right, let's click those tongs. It's time for the D20 sauce roll. 12, mustard. I mean, not a bad choice. Whenever I have a bologna sandwich, I gotta have some stone ground mustard. It's just what I like. We're gonna cover that and admire it.
Very demure, very mindful.
All right, let's top it off and see that cross section. I mean, it looks interesting, but how does it taste? Only one way to find out. All right, I'm really shocked about this one. The flavor is so bizarre, but honestly, I can't explain this. This is so good. My only complaint is the dryness of the moon pie, but everything is working really well together. It's adding a nice sweet and savory element, almost to the point of like that Krispy Kreme burger that you see online. It's not too sweet, not too savory. Everything is just working in perfect harmony. The only downside is the moon pie is dry, which knocks it down a couple points. Now on its own, that bologna is solid. I mean, even with the seasoning, it's incredible. This is an easy 10 out of 10. But that's not how we grade it here. With everything together, we're going to give this one a 9.5 out of 10, and I think we're going to call this the Lebanon Moon Pie. And just like that, folks, that's episode 132. Be sure to check us out at Roll for Barbecue Live at the 4th Annual Mitten Bash on September 14th. Like what we're cooking? Be sure to like, follow, share, and subscribe, and as always, we'll see you guys at the next barbecue.